Today's learning is phonics sound. A, as in apple. A as in axe. B, as in bird. B as in bear. K, as in car. K as in castle. D, as in deer. D as in drum. D as in dolphin. A as in elephant. A as in emu. F as in fox. F as in fish. G as in grapes. G as in goose. H as in helicopter. H as in hen. E as in igloo. I as in ink. J as in jellyfish. J as in jelly. K as in koala. K as in kangaroo. L as in lotus. L as in lake. M as in mouse. M as in monkey. N as in nurse. N as in net. O as in octopus. O as in orange. P as in parrot. P as in penguin. Qu as in quail. Qu as in quilt. R as in rainbow. R as in rabbit. S as in salad. S as in strawberry. T as in tortoise. T as in tree. As in umbrella. As in underwater. V as in vulture. V as in violin. W as in whale. W as in watermelon. X as in xylophone. X as in xerus. Y as in yacht. Y as in yogurt. Z z as in zinnia. Z as in zebra. See you in the next video. Bye. Please like, share and subscribe.